Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff from Captain Swiss House and Fire and Fireplace and Rust.net. Let me show you a new product. It's the DVLXG55. It's a mouthful. 45,000 BTU gas fireplace. See, this thing is kind of unique. It's like a linear but tall. It's like a tall linear. This is a cool to touch glass. This thing's been on all day long. That glass can't be more than 200. It hardly even hurt. So these guys here use a Powervent system. This is the see-through, and you can see the lady on the other side there. See-through, you can have it in single-sided. You guys use a Powervent. So let me try to back up here so you can get a better view of how they have this thing set up. So you can have combustible materials right up to the edge here. So this wall, I mean, this is like room temperature, which is pretty amazing. So there's some airflow in between the outer glass and the inner glass, and that's helping keeping the glass cool as well as the combustible wall. These guys have a heat dump kit where you can dump the heat to the outside of the home or into the inside of the home to a desired room in the same room, which is kind of cool. But this is going to be required to be used as a Powervent rather than a regular natural vent, because it is vented out of this side. Let me see if we can get an idea here. See, that's right there on the edge. It's going to be available soon. If you have any questions, give us a ring. You can be reached at 1-855-485-4015. Thank you very much.